Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Nicholas here from Takers FX. Just messaging you to let you know, hey, if you get this message personally from me, it means that in the past you have asked me about trading Forex. And I have no problem in showing anybody or helping anybody out and passing on the knowledge that I have learned so far. Right? If someone else been passed on this link and you're interested in trading Forex, that's no problem. First things first, what you gotta do, you gotta go to your Google Play Store and search for these two apps. Is most important. Download Telegram and search for an app called MetaTrader 4, aka MT4. Tap open demo account, search for any broker you like. For this example, we'll use IC Markets. Choose the currency you want to trade in, USD or pound for me, right? If you want to log in on your tablet or your desktop home with the same account that you created demo account with, it will be right here in mailbox. New account registration, right? From there, what you gotta do, the most important thing is to add your currency pairs. Delete all this and then click the add button, click the minor, just want to add all. Go to major, you want to add silver, gold, then you want to go to engineer, you want to add barrel oil, and you want to add crude oil, most important too, right? So let's just say you want to move this around, you want to edit it. You click on the bottom, the left, and you drag it down to wherever you want it to be. I know I like mine in order, it's easier to find. However you like it, that's totally up to you. Right? Let's just say you want to remove one. Simply click it like that and tap delete. Right? You go back. This is your charts window. This is your trade window, your history, your news, and mailbox. So next thing you want to do is go to Telegram. I'll put this user link in the description, right? So you just message me and just say interested, right? Just hit me a DM on Telegram, right? So in the future, if you get a message from me like this, sell Euro USD, you just want to go back on your MT4, find a pair. Well, the market is closed at the moment, it will be opening shortly. Type open. So let's just say you see sell NZD USD at 6776. You could do two things. Either you do a market execution if the price is not too far. Now remember, you don't want to chase the market. Right. So what you want to do is put like a sell limit. Right. Now just for the sake of this is called lot size. Pretend it's real money. Only risk where you can afford to lose. Pretend it's real money. Use a 0.01. So you're looking for a sell limit is because price is below. You're expecting price to come up, touch, activate your order, and enter you in the trade. So all you do, just put this here. I did not enter in the trade. Okay. Alright, so the trade entered by accident, right? So you put a sell limit. 6776. Stop loss is 6788 and 666. Okay, do not like that number. Alright, and you press place. And that's it. And you just wait for the trade to be activated. Alright. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be posting up strategies once every week. And I'll be posting my signals here on Telegram. So just message me on Telegram. Just tap that link in the description below and just type interested. And I can help you get started in demo testing, practice, or any insights that I might know. But free to pass on. I'm not going to charge anybody anything at the moment. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for being interested. I hope to hear from you soon.